of the Polar Express, ladies and gentlemen.
So we haven't even been back 12 hours from our trip in Lapland, Finland, but today we're going on an exciting adventure. We are heading on a real life steam train from Lapland to Wensleydale in the heart of Yorkshire for a Polar Express train ride experience. I've packed my PJs in my bag. We're going to be going with my mum, who's sat behind me watching me talk to this camera, my cousin and Mike, Ashley and my husband Dean. First of all, we need to go and load up on some nice festive food. So we're going to head somewhere in Yorkshire in the local area and grab something to eat, and then we're going to ride on the steam train for the Polar Express experience. Also, if you haven't seen the Lapland vlogs, I highly recommend you check them out. How cool are the train tickets for the Polar Express? This is what we're going to go on, a steam train. I've never been on a steam train before. Anyway, let's head off and get something to eat and then head on the Polar Express. Excited, man?
Yeah.
The Polar Express!
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto Borough Bridge Road.
The colours are beautiful at the minute, they're golden. I don't think I can get it on my camera. Oh, can I get it? We're just driving to Lapland now, and I think there's an RAF base here, so there's like some RAF fighter jets kind of doing what we're hoping is a training exercise at the minute, so that's pretty cool to watch, but I don't think my camera will pick it up. Whoa! It's gonna go flying across now. So cool. It literally looks like a tiny dot on this camera. We're just heading to a pub called the Rubens, and there is people. Well, you can hear the airplanes now. Oh, that sounds so loud. Damn it, we're out of luck. They're fully booked because I've got a private party on. Looks like we're going to have to try and find another pub. Come to a beautiful little town called Bydale. We actually came here for the first time for a fireworks show last month. We're going to have a look around and find a cosy place to eat, but I absolutely love this little town. It's giving me cosy Christmas vibes. I bet when this is covered with snow as well, it's super Christmassy. Lovely up here. So we just come to Tom and Nellie's in Bydale. We've been here before and it's absolutely beautiful. This actually used to be an old cottage and it's really, really cool because there's some history behind it. Basically, Tom and Nellie were the owner's grandparents and she's actually serving us right now. It's the grandchild, and they lived here since 1939, and they used to actually take care of the big church that's just next to it and used to look after the church grounds, and now it's like a beautiful restaurant. It's really, really nice in here. The food is really, really good as well. So we've got the lamb shoulder, and they kindly split it between the two of us because we divide it between the two, and they put it on a little plate. It's a fancy portion. But we've got the lamb shoulder and we're going to tuck in. So we currently all just got changed in Costa toilets and we're about to head on the Polar Express. I'm super excited because we've seen the steam train come up and down and it looks so good. We're here! Oh my gosh, how exciting! Look at this. Oh, there's a gift shop. I'm actually in my slippers. They've got a little stall here with all different types of foods and stuff. And we're getting on in, is it half an hour?
Half an hour,
So,
yeah.
oh, there's a little marquee and everything. I'm excited. Got a naughty or nice scanner here that you can go through. That's funny. We're in this big marquee at the minute. It's got some tables to sit down at. It's also got this little themed gift wrap section you can colour in. It's really good because they've even got a little stall for beer and wine and mulled ciders for the parents, and hot chocolate burgers, some sausages, fries and some hot Belgian waffles as well. I think we're going to get some mulled wine. We're quite early, so we're taking in all the ambience. Oh, Bailey's hot chocolate. Oh, you're good too. Go on, Dean. Oh, Dean's naughty. Oh, Dean, you cheeky Dean. It's so funny because there's some TVs and it has loads of reindeers on, and it's just said Arctic Circle News, and me and Dean were like, we were literally there 24 hours ago. This is so bizarre. But I'm super excited because we should be going on soon, and it's getting very full. Are you excited, Ashley? Yes. And they're showing the beginning of Polish Express on the TV.
His sleigh would have to be bigger than an ocean liner. Santa won't come until you're sound asleep, young lady. Sweet dreams.
Oh my gosh, the steam train's coming in! Oh, it's coming! Spotted a song sheet with all the lyrics. Like we have to sing along to the song. Here we go. We're moving. We're going. Yay! Here we go. Choo choo.
That's the way things happen, huh?
Hello everyone. We're famous.
Welcome aboard the Polar Express, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings! You could give us a wave, you know. Yeah. Good. Welcome aboard. Now, 1, 2, 3.
Whilst we're on our journey, we're going to ask you to help us out with some sounds and with some action. Now our first one's going to be a train whistle. Chef Giggles, what does a train whistle sound like?
I think it sounds like choo-choo!
That was very good. Chef Sprinkle. Oh, lovely. And sir, what do you think it sounds like?
Like this.
He did a real whistle. That's just showing off, isn't it, everyone? All right, I think we should all give it a go. So,
Ready, everyone?
your best train whistle. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Like a roller coaster, you know. Roller coaster! Hey! Are we ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. I think I can smell something burning. All right. Oh, with them cookies and that chocolate. We better go and have a look what's going on. I don't want to burn the cookies. No, don't burn the cookies. Oh, no.
Where am I at? Allow me to introduce myself. I am the proud owner of this train because I ride it whenever I want. It's like I'm the king of this train. Yeah. The king of the Polar Express.
Go to earn it, everybody. Jazz hands. Jazz hands. Jazz hands. Whoa, we got it. Yeah, we got it. What do we got? Whoa, we got it. We got it.
Oh, thank you. Oh, they're huge. Wow. Polar Express cookies. Oh, I got it.
And over here as well. Enjoy, everyone!
Cheers, everyone.
There is no Santa, my friend had insisted, but I knew he was wrong.
Oh, God, Mum changed the big. Oh, wow. That's us. We're just getting cookies and hot chocolate, and they're telling us the story of the Polar Express.
Hands in the air, man. Oh, here we go. Hold on to your cookies and your hot chocolate. Hold on to the thing that's most valuable to you. Oh, here we go. Quick. Hey,
The engineer, he got really excited by the lights and like, oh,
Steve, I've got so...
Wow, it's all white outside.
Oh, look, the North Pole. Santa's reindeer.
you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Catherine. With a K or a C? Oh, the Royal Catherine. Catherine of Aragon. Catherine the Great of Russia. We have to bow now.
Oh, thank you.
Three French hens, two turtles, and a partridge in the pear tree. All the fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Merry Christmas! Wow, so cool. Well, that was super cool, and now we're just leaving through the gift shop, and we might get a hot chocolate and maybe a hot dog or something, but yeah, it's got a little gift shop at the end here, so we're gonna have a look around. Oh look, it's like being in Lapland again. Get little huskies, you get these little wooden houses. Oh, that's changing colour. Little Polar Express teddy. Oh, they've got the Polar Express conductor hats over here as well. Oh, there's a little Polar Express picture book as well. A believe sign. You can get little special ornaments where you put your pictures in as well from the Polar Express. So you can hang it on your Christmas tree, and there's a little train there. You can also get a little pin. Look at this thing. One thing I will say is the food stalls are actually all shut now. I was really hoping for a hot dog on the way out, so if you are on the last train, you'll have to get your food before going on the Polar Express because they are all shut now. But we have had a wonderful time on the Polar Express. Hope you enjoyed it, and definitely if you want to see our actual trip to the actual North Pole, go ahead and watch the Arctic Circle vlogs. They were so fun. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. I love you. Goodbye.